bushcraft, you need certain pieces of equipment which can be very expensive. So I'm going to do a series of videos showing army surplus kit, which is good quality kit at a cheap price. So to start with, we'll start with the army Basha or Tarp. These, from my local army surplus store, which is Nick's Kit at Royton, are £16. You can get the Tarp brand new for £16, or you can get a used one with a bag for £16. This one was a new one, but I've got the bag separate. That all fits quite neatly in a stuff sack. So we'll pull it out and we'll have a look at it. Right, so as you can see, I've got it out the bag now. It's quite a robust nylon material. It's fully waterproofed. Along the sides it has handles, so you can fold it in half and use it as a stretcher if need be. Each corner you've got these eyelets and these ties for your guy lines. It has them on each corner, and along each side it has an extra one, so you can put an extra guy line in the middle. The centre of it is reinforced with webbing, and there's the handles down the middle if you should need to use it as a stretcher. If you look on the outside of it, that seam comes ready waterproofed, so you've no worries about water getting through your seams. So let's put it up and see what it's like. So as you can see now, that's the Tarp set up. Plenty of room underneath. This is set quite low. I prefer to have my tarp set quite low, than if it rains in the night, then you don't get any rain coming under the sides of the tarp. So there you are. That's the British Army Basha or Tarp, and those are £16. Might vary at different army surplus shops, but my local one is £16. As I was saying to you before, you have the tie cords at each corner. There's extra rings there. It has handles down both sides in case you need to use it as a stretcher. There's one there, another tie loop there, another hole there, another handle there, and another handle there. So you would literally just fold it in half, so you've got the handles along the middle, and put the two sides together, and you've got a stretcher as well. So for £16 you've got a damn good tarp there. Not only that, but these are DPM camouflage, so they do actually blend in with the woodland very well, so you don't stick out like a sore thumb with a brightly coloured tarp. So that's the British Army tarp erected, and if you look out for my next video, I'll show you how to erect it and do all the knots and everything for it. So thank you for watching, and I shall catch you in the next video. Bye for now.